Hey everyone, this is Francisco from the Medellin Living Real Estate YouTube channel. Today we are in the area of La Linde, one of the fastest growing and more desirable areas of El Poblado. We're just walking distance to Parque del Poblado, Provenza, Barrio Manila, and Parque as well. As we walk into this 154 square meters of interior space. Now, I really love the remodel that the owner did here, especially with the lighting. You'll notice here in the dining area right here, as well as in the kitchen and in the bathrooms as well. I think they did a good job just overall with the remodel here. And when you're ready to purchase here in Medellin, go ahead and fill out our buyer's form. The link is down below in the description and someone will reach out to you. Now, as we walk over to the balcony here, we're on the second floor, so you don't have much of a view, but we're also in the lower half of La Linde. You're close to Carrera 43A, which is Avenida Poblado. So you have access to a main road just around the corner as soon as you step outside of the building. The unit here, this apartment, offers 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. And here is one of the guest bedrooms. You can use that as a bedroom if you'd like, or you can turn that into an office space. I personally would turn that into an office space. As we walk over to the master bedroom here, it already has air conditioning installed. You can see the AC unit there in the corner. Now, this apartment is ideal, and I think it would be perfect for anyone that is looking to stay here long term. Especially if they're looking to get the real estate investor visa, this apartment would help them qualify for that. So that's something to consider when you're buying here in Medellin and you're going for that investor visa. We're gonna come to the shared bathroom here, the full bathroom actually. And again, just love the overall design, the lighting in the back there. Again, the owner did an awesome job remodeling this unit. And you know, if you weren't going to use this for long-term use, you're in a prime location and you're getting a modern design, and this area has strong potential for appreciation as well in Medellin. So you can set this up also as rental income, just depending on how you manage the property, as well as if the numbers make sense when you're reviewing the numbers. Because I know long-term tourists, they do stay in this area. They usually tend to stay for 3 months, 6 months, or a month out of the year. So that's gonna wrap up the walkthrough here. Again, the building, it offers 24/7 security. You're in a prime location. You have a modern design here. And again, with the strong potential of appreciation in Medellin. All right, that wraps it up for this remodeled luxury apartment in La Linde. When you're actively looking to buy in Medellin and your budget is $150,000 or above and you're ready to close in the next 30 days, then our team can help you out. We don't just send you random listings throughout the city hoping that you'll just like one of them. We scan the entire market based on your criteria and act as your private MLS here. We call that the Medellin Living Search System. Since there is no traditional MLS here, we basically had to create one. We only work one-on-one with buyers who are ready to start that process and move forward seriously. So when you're ready to start that process, go ahead and fill out our buyer's form. The link is down below in the description. Fill out the form and someone on our team will reach out to you. And I'll catch you guys on the next video.